Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel Masala Munchies. आज हम बनाएंगे beef kebab. For this recipe हमें चाहिए 1 teaspoon ginger, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. For the dry spices हमें चाहिए 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 small cup of cilantro, 10 to 12 green chilies finely chopped, a quarter cup oil, and 2 medium onions finely chopped. And also 1 packet of Kebab shan masala. Okay, for these ingredients, I am using 5 pounds beef keema. I already added the 1 pack Kebab shan masala. Next, we'll add the rest of the dry spices. Since we already pre-measured the dry spices, we could just add it in so it's easier. Okay, अब हम mix करेंगे dry spices को. Next, we'll add the garlic paste and the ginger paste. So mix करेंगे garlic और ginger paste को. Next, we'll add the green chilies and the cilantro. Mix again. Next, I'm gonna add the onions. You might be wondering why I didn't mix all the ingredients at once. The reason is because when you put the ingredients one by one, they mix properly. So you have to take the extra 2 minutes because it will just taste that much better. So I'm using wax paper that pre-cut. I'm using this wax paper so it could separate the patties. तो देखें, मैंने अभी ये फ्रीज़र से निकाला है और मैंने इसलिए वैक्स पे यूज़ किया था. हम इसको ग्रिल करेंगे तो अब देखें इजीली ये सेपरेट हो जाएगा पैटीज.